You're doing your finger coils wrong. Let me show you how on type 4 natural hair. I'm starting at the back and then moving forward. You can section your hair into 4 parts or just work forwards like I'm doing without any sections. I clipped off the other parts of his hair and my brother had his hair perfectly detangled. Let's move straight into the styling process. His hair grows so fast. I'm re-wetting it because this is low porosity and the wetter the better. I'm using on Jackies Curls and Coils gel, but you can use a cream or a leave-in as well as a gel. Now start twisting from the roots. This product has some crazy slips, so it was very easy to do this. I split it into 2 and then start twisting. As I get to the ends, I twist as one big twist, not 2. I've also made different sizes. They're not all equal or even. It actually looks better with bigger and smaller sizes. You will see what I mean at the end. If your fingers can't run through your hair, you need to detangle each section again. This can be time consuming, but once you have a good rhythm going, you will fly by. I started this hairstyle at about 11:30 and I finished by 12:40. So only took an hour and 10 minutes and I was stopping and starting a lot. So really it could only take 20 to 30 minutes without any disruption. All you need is a brush just to rebrush in case there's any tangles and your fingers. I mean, just look at this curl definition. You can also slick down the edges, but this wasn't really necessary for him. And guys don't always like their edges slicked down. I don't know. Do you find this with your husband or boyfriend or brother? Let me know in the comments. You can also twist with a comb. So you put the comb at the root of the head and you just twist all the way down. That gives you more of a perfect curl, but I want more of a natural look, so that's what we're going for. I've got a bonus tip for you as well. If you hold the root as you're going down, so you twist the root and then when you hold it and you twist the rest of your hair going down, it makes the perfect curl. The root doesn't loosen while you get to the bottom of the twist. The more you twist, the tighter your curls will be. The less you twist, the looser your curls will be. This applies to every hair type as well. If you keep twisting and twisting and twisting, the tighter the curls will look. If you don't do it as much, the wavier or the looser the curls will look. These are the results. Guys, hey, it looks so good. From before to after. Wow, what a transformation. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what other hairstyles you'd like me to do. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene and I'll see you next time. Peace out.